As cities on the path to rapid growth attract millions from villages looking to survive, many children are pushed to the margins where education is a distant dream. It was for them that Mumbai's Beena Shetty started the Doorstep School, a mission to take learning where it needed the most. Here's the story.
The right to education may have been implemented throughout the country, but for many, it is no more than just a slogan. In India's cities, thousands of children are deprived of even the most basic learning because of their living conditions. It was for them that Beena Shetty Lashkar of Mumbai began the Doorstep School, an initiative that takes schooling to slums, construction sites and footpaths, where children stand little chance of being educated, places where they are just a mouth to feed and used as a pair of hands to work and earn.
ये प्रोजेक्ट की शुरुआत हमने 1988 में की थी, जब मैं एक स्टूडेंट की हैसियत से म्यूनसिपल स्कूल में प्लेसमेंट हुई थी और मेरे सामने बहुत सारे बच्चे ड्रॉप आउट बच्चों की लिस्ट आई और मैंने देखा कि ये बच्चे स्कूल में नहीं आना चाहते क्योंकि वो काम पे जा रहे हैं। सो हमने सोचा कि यदि ये बच्चे स्कूल में नहीं जाते हैं तो हमें वहाँ तक स्कूल लेके जाने की ज़रूरत है। हमने ये डोरस्टेप स्कूल की संस्था की स्थापना की।
The Doorstep School uses many innovative methods to reach out to those it wants to help. Children here come from many states across the country and speak in as many different languages, making the task of teaching them immensely difficult. But through the years, the initiative has been successful in teaching children till the 4th standard, after which they are helped into enrollment in regular schools. Sometimes alleys are named after them to encourage the children to study.
यहाँ पर हम आने के बाद पहले इनके मोटिवेशन बढ़ाते हैं कि किस तरह से पढ़ाई का बोझा नहीं डालते। धीरे धीरे हम जान लेते हैं कि बच्चों को किस तरह से पढ़ाई की ओर लेकर जाना है, कि आज बच्चा सीखना चाहता है, बच्चों को किस तरह से कौन सा अक्षर देना है, ये फिर हम लोग तय कर लेते हैं।
Another innovative method adopted by the organization is the School on Wheels, a traveling classroom in a bus.
अच्छा पढ़ाता, अच्छा बस में लेने को भी आता, घुमाने को भी आता, सब जगह में लेके आता है। लड़की को पढ़ाने को चाहती, आगे जाएगा मेरे बच्चा, ये मेरे को खुशी है।
Many who have passed through the Doorstep School now in turn contribute in their own way towards others as unfortunate as them, making education a part of the lives of lakhs of boys and girls for whom it would otherwise have been just a distant dream. With inputs from Tabassum Malik, Bureau Report, DD News.